Up, Scopies. Sorry for putting you up there. Let me see if I can turn you like that. Oh. The Civic is not as nice as the Prius for this stuff. But yeah, so we got my Eon driving and stop and go traffic right here. It's pretty nice. It's nice that my Civic turns below 12 miles an hour. It's one of the nicest things about my Civic. That lane looks like it's going faster, but see, I like being behind trucks because if you're behind truck, the ACC is so much better because trucks are so much smoother. So this is just very smooth. Like, I'm very satisfied with this. T-shirt shipping right away, man. Right away. That's the commitment. That's the commitment from the comma army. We're going to start shipping everything out within 3 days because we got to ship quicker. I should have cut him behind that truck. I Googled Nothing Nowhere this morning, and it came up for, do you like Lil Peep or this guy? So I'm listening to this guy. It's all right. All right, it could be accelerating a little bit more. We're kind of creeping along here. Alright, let me use the other. Well, I like using this camera. So I'm going to Oakland right now to chill for shit. See, you guys get mad when you get cut off. I'm not mad. No, I could have been following way closer behind that truck. Alright, my top speed's 65. Come on, let's go. Let's accelerate. Come on, let's go. Alright, I'll talk to the controls team about this. I don't want to go slow. Yo, check it out. I got my Maverick joggers on. Yo, real Logan Paul shit. Yeah, I know. I don't drive that much, you guys. How do you find the checksums? Just skill, bro. I don't know. Look at them. Figure out what it is. Just like look at it. Get a few examples. Get examples that are 1 bit off. Or you can reverse the firmware. It's kind of an extreme way to do it. Alright, sweet. We're back behind this truck. I like being behind the truck. Openpilot drives well behind trucks. What happens if I fly? I don't know, bro. Yeah, this thing should accelerate more. I don't know. Or maybe our limits are really low. I'm a software developer? Nah, bro. I'm the CEO. I just chill. I'm the social media manager for comma.ai. No, I'm a software developer. Why? What do you want to know? See, let's see if I can put you guys here. You're right behind that steering wheel. Nah, I don't know. I don't like that. We can come army time, right? Alright, let's see if we can do this big turn. Come on, Civic, you got this, boy. We can come army time. Alright, everyone else is going faster than me. I'm going the speed of this truck. I'm gonna be late, you know? Waze, am I gonna be late? Let's see what Waze says. No, Waze didn't change my ETA. But yeah, I mean, I'd rather go slow and have the car drive me there. What's average salary so my salary is $0, guys. So if you're a good CEO, you really shouldn't take a salary until your company's profitable. Does my Civic have the torque limit? It has a higher torque limit than yours, but not much higher. It's just a nice experience following a truck, right? Nets companies. It is very chill this morning. Listen to this Corbin guy. I'll slap your face, bro. Banned! Nah, I'm too lazy to ban you, bro. I don't even care. That smells funny. Well, I don't know. What'd you do to it? Thanks, bro. Look, we got a cut in. The Boring Company is great, man. Could tilt the steering wheel and put the phone on my dash. Can I do that? Is there a button for this? Guy's terrible. I'm over Corbin. I mean, you shouldn't say he's terrible. I'm just really not in the mood right now. So, but I got you guys in one hand, and I want to change the music. Ugh, self-driving cars don't give you 3 hands. Comma Army, goodbye all the merch, yo. Can you have a Slack bot for banned questions? Yeah. Hang on, I gotta drive for a sec. It's not gonna change lanes for me. Oh no! I made you face the vents. This is a terrible Periscope. I'm sorry, bros. Alright, we got cut-ins. I know what I can do. Oh yeah! Check out that dashboard experience! Oh my god, alright. I gotta get over that lane. Wait a sec. Uh-oh. Hey, I think the truck's in the same boat as me. Well, he's done. Alright, bro. Well, you know, you can be mad, but I'm getting in. Alright. Now let's change the music. We'll start with that. Real late cut-in. Okay. Let's see what we got. Do my daily mix one. Let's see what we got. Oh, Moving Mountains. Ode We Will Bury Ourselves. Why am I running a Midnight Black Eon? I actually have a Midnight Black Eon with me. How long did it take me to learn Python? 1 day, bros. Check out Midnight Black. Why don't I just keep periscoping? I mean, we can. I don't know. I wish I had a better way to do this thing. I'm amazed we don't have mounts in these cars. There's a mount in here. Oh, I found some duct tape. All right. Let's prop you guys behind the duct tape. Ooh, that's decent. That's decent. All right, we got something. Yeah, I'm doing a fireside chat today in Oakland. That's what I'm doing. Bro, being a follower is a powerful political statement. That's why I'm a member of the Logan. And I will, whatever Logan Paul says, ride or die. You know? The AC, I will turn it off. I'll sacrifice my comfort for the quality. We can listen to a little Moving Mountains, you know what I'm talking about? You really can't see anything there. What do I think of Xmatic? The Verge gave up on me? Oh, The Verge. Oh, man. Oh, God. What will I do if the tech press has a negative opinion of me? Got any advice to young people wanting to learn computer security? Don't. It's a waste of time. The whole industry sucks. What Civic trim are we using? This is a Touring. This is a 2016 Touring. Oh yeah, we're going a little fast now. We're going 19 whole miles an hour. Guys, this is what driving is. It's boring. That's why you need a self-driving car. When will your car park itself? Buy a Tesla. I think that one's actually pretty good. The rest of them are pretty terrible. Will the phone fit in the visor? We got a motorcycle here. I have to hold the wheel during motorcycles. I don't know about that. Advice on learning security? I don't know, man. Security's a waste of time. Just go hack shit, man. Like, I would never call it security. Oh, that kind of works. But now I can't read what you guys are saying. No, I don't like being in this lane, bros. All right, hang on. I'm going to get over. I'm going to make some moves. Oh, no, that guy already made moves. I can't make moves now. I wish I had a LiDAR on the roof. I could see everything. Let me do this merge, and then let me turn off rotation lock on my phone. No, I want to do the merge. No, is it better to train an area? Yeah, kind of. I don't know. We haven't, to be honest, guys, we haven't trained a model in a while. So I mean, you know, training helps. No, okay, I gotta turn the air conditioner back on. It's too hot in here. Where are we headed today? We're going to a fireside chat in Oakland. You know, you guys say I need a tripod. You know what? I think we're going to make all... Oh, we don't have a lane line there. I think we're going to make all comma.ai's come with Periscope. Best way to learn Python. Pro. What's a fireside chat? I have no idea. Oh. The FBI probe. I'm not worried about them, bro. They got their own problems. I saw some memo yesterday. They got some problems. YouTube. What about YouTube? YouTube, put it on the Eon? Nah, bros. I don't know about that. You shouldn't be looking at your Eon while you're driving. Too much. Mandatory pop-up of live Periscope. That's right! You build fences? I think Macklemore does too. How often do I talk to Elon? Every day, bro. I don't talk to Elon. Why would I talk to Elon? Comma.ai. Turning the music down. Okay, can you hear me now? Hang on, we got some cops here. Gotta have a hand on the wheel. Hand on the wheel. We got cops, bros. We got cops. All right. So now we have duct tape. I'll stick some duct tape and stick my phone. Is that gonna work? All right. Traffic's picking up. This is a good deal. All right, we got some duct tape. Let's just duct tape you guys. All right, cool. Cops love comma.ai. Did I put the duct tape over the microphone? All right, you guys, listen, bros. All right, hang on, let me get over in this lane. Duct tape built civilization. Yeah, good. We're all good, bro. It's every day, bro. All right, well, I know we're good for sound now, but we're not good for air conditioning. All right, let's put the speed up here and let's cruise. What's successful? More car models or better features? Yeah, whew. It's hot in here, bros. I do a lot for the Scopies. You want to run openpilot on your computer? You kind of can. It kind of works. Like everything in comma.ai, it kind of works. It's 10 degrees. Where are you? Sweaty fireside chat. Bros. Who's Project Titan? Wait. I got an idea. I don't actually know how to use this thing, but we might be able... What if I just direct the air conditioning at my feet? Is there noise? Yo, you should have seen... Good. All right, we got some air conditioning and we got no noise. It's the best of both worlds. Like that movie they talk about in Clerks. All right, cool. Noise good. All right, look, I got some pure tea, pure leaf tea. This stuff's great. No calories, caffeine, pure leaf. What's the worst PR issue, bro? PR is a joke. You know what? Honestly, I learned every lesson I know about PR from one line in a Gym Class Heroes song, and I got to try to remember what it is. It's "Don't Tell Me It's Over," and he's like, you know, if you want to see me gone, then I suggest you keep my name out of your headlines, right? So the truth is, as long as you're still making headlines, you're good. Sit up real tall so you can see me. We're gonna get cold test. We get cold feet. Periscope is commas PR. Bro, it's not even commas PR. I'm sitting in a self-driving car. What am I gonna do? Trump is PR. I know, right? I mean, you know, you just look. You want one of the best predictors of who's gonna win elections is you look at the Google Trends. Shop.com.ai. What up? Always be plugging. Your only interaction with the government, bro, the regulators are our friends. I talk with them every weekend too. No, just kidding, that's a lie. But no, they're fine. Can a mini computer with a 22-inch touchscreen work? I mean, I don't know, maybe. What would an accident do to comma? I don't know, bro. Positivity, you know, that's what Logan Paul taught me. Positivity. You want a Tesla-like experience, but not a Tesla. Well, I don't know, man. You can have somebody else buy a Tesla, take the Tesla badge off, stick a Ford logo on there, and then it's like the same. What about Windex? Yo, cleaning it up, yo. I don't know if I can talk about it. The Tesla experience is hype. We are anti-hype. I'm over-hype. Hype is played out. You guys being duct taped to that vent, that works great. All news is good news. Well, no, there's bad news, but it's not actually what a lot of people think it is. I don't know. Guys, like the PRs, you ever see how PewDiePie talks about it? He calls it the PRs and whammon. You know, there's a reason that he does that, and it's because... Wait, hang on. I gotta figure out where I'm going here. 1 sec. You know what? It would be great if this thing was actually a self-driving car and could actually take me to places and not just stay in the lane like a shitty lane keep assist system. Somebody should really work on that. And you want to know anyone who works at comma.ai? No, they're gonna work on that, I think. I heard. That's what I heard. I heard it's coming soon to now. Alright, changing lanes is incredibly stressful. That was super stressful. I just had to change across like 4 lanes. That was super stressful, you guys. It's super cruise control. Yeah, I know. How's the new model coming? Yeah, you know. Soon, TM. Tesla Roadster should be the first car on Mars. I think it's targeted to orbit Mars. I mean, I wouldn't say that it makes it to Mars if it crashes on Mars. What's dangerous? Kin. You mean like the cryptocurrency for that stuff? For level 4, you will need to handle pedestrian detection. Yes. Do I think level 5 is possible without AGI? I don't know what AGI means. Why not do all bounties instead of employees? We need some employees. Bounties are okay. comma.ai is the first. I'm not going to Mars, bro. No, like, you have to make it there somewhat intact. Like, if you crash and there's like a little ding on the bumper, I think that's okay. But, I think this turns beyond the torque limit. No, we need more torques. Oh, no, never mind. With our double torque, it can do it. It's still not turn exceeds limit. It's all right. We're kind of staying in the lane. Vicarious is AGI. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know if it's going to be streamed or recorded. I don't pay attention to what Apple's doing. To be honest, like, Tim Cook is a brilliant executor. If you want a slightly better iPhone every year, then you're going to get that. But if you want anything new, I don't know. I wouldn't count on them. Any new SoundCloud tracks? Check out Nice. I wrote Nice is pretty good. Up there's Please visible in 0.4 miles. Waze, thank you for having my back. I love you, Waze. We are going below the speed limit, so the police shouldn't be bothering me. If different groups develop shit and try to put it together, nah, the truth is it's going to be a joint model. Yeah, I know the chips in the iPhone X are crazy good. I have an iPhone X, the second best purchase of last year. Top purchase was my MacBook. If Steve was still alive, I bet he would join comma. I strongly doubt it. No, I mean, like, the truth is, the companies you've heard about that are big, they're not like, oh, comma, police detection. No, I really want to do that. We got big things planned, you know? Hello. All right, we have 7.6 miles to cruise on this road. Let's get over to the middle lane because I don't want to deal with merges. Now let's re-engage. Am I the only guys behind the ideas of decision making? No, I'm just the front man, you know? It's kind of like, think about a band, right? I'm like the front man, but, you know, it's always like some guy in the back who actually writes the songs and never gets any credit, so comma.ai is probably like that. Do I think Google will merge and kill off Waze? I don't know. Self-driving semis, I don't care. Let other people do that. That needs the BD. the business development, if you want to do that. And I'm not doing that. I mean, I'd have to build a really big vertical if I wanted to not just own trucking, but also own the hauls of shit that I was pulling, right? No, the BD is really bad. Because if you truly want to be a maverick, you can't depend on other people. Because then other people can stop you. How do you merge Comma Army contributions? Is Comma profitable? Close. What do you mean PRs? Send PRs, not the PR, but PRs, pull requests. Why do you take control of the steering wheel when I don't like what the car's doing? Pickups, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think there's too much crossover in the pickup audience and the Comma audience. The other thing too is they don't come with these features standard. Like the Accord and a bunch of Toyotas now have these features standard, and that's where we have to be as comma.ai if we want to sell millions of units, so we can be a million-strong army. Blockchain car. ICOs, bro. Hang on, we got hard braking up ahead. Hard braking. I'm pretty happy. Good job, system. You did that better than I would. Pull requests, okay. How do you get your employees? Yeah. Give me a job at comma.ai. Most of them email in. No, you get the Toyota support guy. That's all we get. We swipe them. We swipe some of them. We do have hoodies left in the HQ, but they're not for sale. What happened to the Comma ICO? Multi-camera coming. What do you think of Tesla's new autopilot announcement? I'll believe it when I see it. V2V is a joke. V2V is a joke. And the blockchain is certainly not necessary for it. I really don't know if you are trying to trigger me. And if you are, I'm triggered. You win. The V2V is the dumbest idea I've ever heard. The Eon has V2V. It looks at the brake lights of the car in front of us. In this case, it's a Ford F-150. What would it take to do a private setup? What do you mean a private setup? Oh, the police? There's a lot of police. Don't they have real policing to do in Oakland? Mercedes. Yeah, their self-driving stuff is disappointing. Oh, those numbers came out. Yeah, V2V with the police. No, nothing will make, turning your Subaru into not a Subaru will make it easier to support it. If you turn your Subaru, if you go to a Toyota dealership and trade in your Subaru for a Toyota, then it'll make it easier to be supported. Where am I headed? I'm going to a fireside chat in Oakland. It's this place called Circuit Bridge or Circuit Launch in Oakland. You guys can actually come if you want, if you're nearby. I'm just going to talk Periscope shit, but try to be a little more coherent and sane. I have my laptop, even have a few slides. I put my hand on the steering wheel when there's a motorcycle, or when I'm like within, if I feel like I'd have under a second to react to something. Yeah, I saw the Phantom AI crash. I don't know, man. It just sucks. What time is the chat at? It's in 12 minutes. 22-inch Comma Eons. Yeah, I got Comma Eons spinning Comma Eons. Yeah, no. We're not good. I'm not good with the PRs, PRs. How many React developers we got? We got 2. We're hiring more. If you want to come here and develop React, we hire 2 more. Level 4 motorcycle detection. No, it's not the motorcycle detection is difficult. The thing does it okay. It's just kind of you're scared enough driving a motorcycle. Just make sure to give them space. Just drive a motorcycle. Am I supplying the cars for Ready Player One? They had cars in that? I read that book a while ago. What news interviewer has Nah, man, the news. Stop viewing the news as they're trying to convey facts. Just view it as entertainment. And it's kind of like being roasted on a late night comedy show. Oh no, the late night comedy show took my words out of context. Yeah, they're a comedy show, right? The news is entertainment. No, it's all entertainment. It's not facts. If you want facts, go on, Yo, I heard about this app last night called Citizen. It's like a decentralized crime fighting app. I'm really excited about it. I'm excited to go Periscope some crimes. If we open source the React, I mean, we're gonna open source Comma this year probably. Gray Panda update. Yeah, I got one right here, guys. I got a Gray Panda right in this bag here. Oh, yo, this thing is nice, bros. This thing is nice. Watchdog for your phone. Okay, you're doing okay on this turn. All right. Turn limit exceeded. Yeah, so our Civic actually doesn't have that much more torque than your Civic. It has very moderately more. Why is the GPS on the phone not enough for localization? It's all the antennas, bro. Oh, I actually have a Gray Panda installed in this car. I can show it to you when I get out. There's a construction zone here. Construction zone combined with bots dots combined with poorly marked road. As soon as Gray Panda ships, all right, the Gray Pandas will ship soon. Bro, how many Toyotas have we sold? No, the Gray Pandas have an injection molded. They're printed. The new printed case is nicer though. The injection molded cases are nice too. But yeah, we're gonna switch over to that in a bit. Injection molded cases for the white Pandas. We're getting an order of 10,000 made. All right, 2.7 miles. Prius Prime on sale for $20. That's a good deal. Print the future. Why do people care about the cases? I don't really know. The injection molded case was actually a nightmare to do. Doing injection molded stuff is just, I don't know. Maybe I just don't have experience with it. Maybe when I get better at it, I'll hate it less. How many 3D printers have we ran through? We have an army of them. We've seen pictures on Twitter. I don't know, like 2 have broken. They're pretty reliable. Zortrex M200s, though. The support from the company, actually, really, all right, I'm not going to call anyone out negatively. This is a positive. This year is all about positivity, man. Lil Peep and Logan Paul have shown me the way for positivity. Injection molding, it's just hard to prototype, is the problem. And the people making the molds are in China, so we gotta do the Chinese. It's gotta get on a plane and come here on a plane, and that takes a while. Ugh. All right, it could be better right here. I'm a little upset with openpilot's performance right now. It's okay. It's a little wavery because we got bots dots and a non-existent left lane. Release the 3D print files. Nah, we're not gonna do that. Shirts, yeah, shirts are flying, bros. Shirts are flying. We could sell more Midnight Black Eons. Midnight Black are the only thing in our inventory that's selling meh. And I don't know why, because it's really such a nice product. They're so good. Need some comma.ai sweatpants. Yeah, well, I got my Maverick joggers on right now. More police. A lot of police out. Imperial to metric? What about Imperial to metric? Sell some flamethrowers. I'm not selling flamethrowers, bros. It's bad enough getting this shit through customs. Alright, we got a cutout. The radar, I'm sure, knows exactly how fast that car is going. Oh, it used to say. I kind of don't like that it doesn't say anymore. Oh, I gotta get off here. The PRs. Exit 36. Have fun at Fireside Chat. I can. Cringe during job interviews, dude. People who try to suck up to me, that's gonna help you at all. I only care if you know the right answers. Just suck up to me by knowing the right answers and knowing things. Not knowing things offends me. I mean, not knowing things, but honestly, here's what gets you in a comma.ai interview. You'll say something that isn't right. I'll explain why it's not right. And then 10 minutes later, you won't incorporate that new information. And then the interview's over. No, I'm not that mean to people. It's more really what I'm looking for in interviews are people going to think with me. I look for this on dates, too. I like people who think with me. Should you work for the NSA? Probably not, bro. I don't know. I mean, you can. I don't know. I hear government jobs don't really pay well. And like you're part of like a sketchy state apparatus that should die. Yeah. You also have a meme question. I don't know what that means. Poll question? I don't know that one. I know the one where the guy talks about, man, I went to Burning Man last week. What's wrong with knowing things and sucking up? I mean, I don't really mind sucking up, but like the knowing things is the important part of that. I'd actually rather someone like told me I was an idiot and like knew more things than me, then you're definitely hired. If you know less things than me, well, then maybe you're not hired. I like to hire people who know more things than me. How do you handle disagreements where I end up being incorrect? I try my best to handle them well. I'm wrong about a lot of stuff, guys. I mean, it's alright. It's part of saying a lot of stuff. I just try to be right next time, right? The way I view the world is like, it doesn't matter, like, there's an actual correct answer, and the correct answer is on behalf of nature, right? Like, nature provides you the correct answer. If you get the wrong answer, you're just an idiot, right? Like, I admit when I'm wrong all the time. Or at least I try to. Do I have a reality distortion field? I don't know, man. I feel like the whole world is a reality distortion field, and I try to keep it like reality. I mean, yeah, confidence is important, right? But it's not like actually confidence, and you're like, the worst thing is fake confidence, right? Like being not confident when you don't really know is good. I don't know. Do common employees get stock options? Of course. All right, I'm somewhere, bros. I'm somewhere. All right, let's see. Is this a parking spot? Oh yeah, we got a parking spot. Openpilot should do that for me. All right, we're somewhere. Cool. You know what they say? I'm right on time. How many interview request resumes? We get a lot of interview requests. Most of them are crap. What's a trait we look for in an employee? We really look for two things: intelligence and motivation. If you are both intelligent and motivated, I don't care about much else. I mean, know some physics, like know high school physics, know like high school computer architecture, literally stuff you should learn in high school. Now, if you want to work for free, we probably aren't going to offer you a job. All right, I'm somewhere. Let me lock my... What if you show up in a 3-piece suit and tell me I'm dumb? I mean, we'll probably laugh about it over like lunch. All right, we're at the fireside chat now. I don't know. There might be people inside who don't want to be Scopied. So I might have to turn you guys off. But thank you for joining me this far. We are in Oakland at Circuit Launch. If you want to show up. Cheers. Yes. No, honestly, if you contribute, I mean, that's another great way to get hired. If you're out there and you make contributions that are like good.